Good morning everyone and welcome to our new session, and it will be the first session in our revision. Okay, today we will start from number 11 because from 1 to 10 is the questions about quarter 3. Okay, we will do it later. So let's start. The first question is, shape is what that helps you to identify an object. Okay, let me tell you that the shape and the color and the size all are property. So is it physical property or chemical property? Actually it's physical property because it describes the physical appearance or the outer shape of the matter. So shape is a physical property. Okay, number 12. You can measure what with grams? Grams or kilograms is mass. We can measure ourselves with grams or kilograms. Okay, so this one is grams or kilograms. Okay, the amount of space that something takes up. Take care يا جماعة. The amount of space, not each amount is the mass. No, هو بيقول لي the space something takes up. So the space, it is a volume. Okay, it's a volume. Okay, something take up a space and has a mass. How? What it is? It's the matter, because we said that the matter is everything that has a space and a mass, that take up a space and has a mass. Okay, number 15. The ability of the matter to attract certain metal objects. We said before that this force is called magnetism. So magnetism is the ability of the magnets to attract metallic objects. Okay, let's know that we have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Which one has its own shape? Its own shape means it has a definite shape. Actually, it's the solid. Okay, which one take the shape of the container? It's the liquid. So the solid has a definite shape, the liquid takes the shape of the container. Which one has no shape of its own? It's a gas. It is a gas. Okay, what are the 3 states of matter? Okay, we said that it's the solid and liquid and gas. Which of the following is matter? Which is heat? It does not have volume or mass, volume or space, volume or mass, right? Sound, it does not have a mass or volume, so it's the air, because the air has a mass. Okay, has mass and maybe volume. Matter that has its own shape and take up a space, again has its own shape and take up a space. It's a solid. Okay, matter that always fill the shape of the container, such as air. If we read the question till this one, take the shape of the container, we will solve it as a liquid. But if we discover that such as air, we will know that it's a gas and it's not a liquid. Okay? Okay, milk takes the shape of the container because it's a milk is a liquid. Yes. What is the mass? Actually, the mass is the amount of the matter and not the amount of space. The amount of the matter in an object, not the amount of space, because the amount of space that object take, this is a volume. Okay, what tool is used to measure the mass? The mass is the amount of anything. How can we measure our weight or our mass? By the balance, right? What is the tool that's used to measure the volume of a liquid? The volume of the liquid, we said it many times before, the graduated cylinder. And it was like a cup, and it's graduated like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And it just tells us the volume of the liquid. Is it 10 millis or 50 millis and so on. Okay. Number 27. The amount of space an object takes up is called the amount of space, so it is a volume. Okay, the amount of matter an object is called the amount of matter, it is the mass. The relationship, the word relationship means the rule or the mathematical equation between the mass and volume كان اسمها ايه؟ It was the density, because the density was measured by mass divided by the volume. So the relationship between mass and volume is called density. Okay, number 30. Which describe the number of unit squares that cover a surface? Actually, it's area. This question is a little bit hard, but I will clarify it more in the exam. It means the area around us, or the space or the unit square that cover the surface, and this is called the area. Okay, this is for the first chapter that is talking about what is matter, the solid and liquid and gas, and the mass and the volume. Okay, thank you so much and hope you enjoy the session.